Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to change a flat tire.
Okay, you find your spare tire in most cars in the trunk under this cover right here. What you do is you use these two sides and you lift up and you can pull it straight out. Next, you unscrew the wing nut. And set it aside somewhere safe. Then you can go ahead and pick up your spare tire. And next you want to take out your jack, which is right here. Turn the yellow knob to loosen. And you can pull it right out. Under this seat is where you'll find all your wrenches that you need. So you pull up on this loop. Here's one. And you'll need these two as well for your jack. 2 and 3. Put the seat back. You just lift it and give it a nice shove until it's finally flat. Before you jack your car up, you're going to want to take a 2x4 or a brick, something to shock the back tire so your car won't roll away. Before you jack it up, you want to loosen the lug nuts with the wrench. Be sure to look for arrows or for nice flat surfaces that is designed for the kind of weight for the car. If you're having trouble trying to find these, look in your owner's manual. These assemble by just pushing in and giving it a nice click. This end you'll put into the jack. Alright, now that you jacked up your vehicle, all you have to do is unscrew the lug nuts and pull the tire off. When you're taking these off, put one hand on the inside, put one hand on the outside, put one hand on the inside, and slide it right off. Once you're done with everything, go ahead and put everything back just the way you found it so it's ready for next time. Put your flat tire where you had your spare, and you can go take it to the shop and get it all patched up or get a new tire.
guys for watching. I hope that was helpful.